Hello, I am Cody Fulmer, founder of Modern Spare. In today's market, choosing the right spare tire kit for your car can be confusing. In this video, we will help to identify the most important aspects in choosing the correct spare tire kit for your vehicle, as well as key aspects that set our products apart from others. Today's modern vehicles are more advanced than ever before. Highly sophisticated drivetrains and operating systems have made the automotive industry more dynamic than ever before, especially recent generations of electric vehicles, such as this 2023 Tesla Model 3 Performance. Quality is our highest priority, and with this expertise, we are able to realize a product that is a class above typical cost-conscious produced alternatives. This is especially important given that today's electric vehicles have higher load and stress requirements as compared to vehicles of the past. A cost-saving approach that others often use is to utilize an off-the-shelf wheel and adapt it to be able to be used on your vehicle. This is not our approach. As the only dedicated spare tire company on the market today, we have been designing vehicle-specific spare wheel and tire applications longer than anyone else. We pay attention to key details such as wheel offset, center bore, bolt pattern, and dynamic load testing. Our wheel is designed from the ground up to ensure that our wheel meets the unique weight and stress requirements that your modern vehicle demands. By doing so, we are able to provide a safe product that does not risk any undue harm to your vehicle. Capable, lightweight, and easy-to-use product that is properly optimized for your vehicle. Please note that utilizing a spare tire that is not optimally suited for your vehicle will cause vehicle drivetrain damage and possibly disable essential vehicle safety systems. Next, we believe in pairing our top-tier wheel with a top-tier tire. Modern Spare partners directly with top-tier tire manufacturers such as Continental and Pirelli Tire in order to provide a DOT-approved tire that is suitable for the load and stress characteristics of your modern vehicle. By having factory direct relationships, we're able to work with these Tier 1 tire manufacturers to design a wheel and tire package that offers superior performance and safety when compared to lesser tier, cost-motivated alternatives. This enables our customers to travel safely at speeds appropriate to traffic conditions and also provides peace of mind knowing that you're able to drive the distance needed to remedy a failed tire. In order to be able to safely place a spare wheel and tire on your vehicle, you must have the right tools for the job. Special consideration must be paid to how your vehicle is to be raised in order to remove and replace the failed tire. Modern vehicles are heavier than those of the past and often utilize advanced vehicle frames that require special lifting techniques and equipment. In designing a jack and wheel removal tools, we consider all of these variables to provide the right tool for the job. We understand that Murphy's Law will apply to a flat tire and that changing that flat tire will likely not be in ideal conditions. You can have peace of mind knowing that the easy-to-use tools provided in our spare tire kit have the capability to safely change out a flat tire on the side of the road. Lastly, we physically test our products in real-world conditions to ensure that they are ready to use when the time comes. By doing this, we know that we can provide our customers with the peace of mind that our engineered solution is ready to use when needed. Because of this, we guarantee fitment for your vehicle and stand behind our top-tier products with our top-tier comprehensive warranty. Have any questions about your product? We are here to help. Dedicated US-based spare tire experts are a phone call away to help with whatever questions you might have at the time of installation, or also to aid in the purchase decision of a spare tire kit for your vehicle. All of this comes together and allows you to have confidence in a product that is specifically engineered for your vehicle.